In this video, we are assembling the bunny easel card. Now I have already put my liner here on the inside. This is an A2 card. It has a score line here on the bottom quarter of the card. So you just want to score that on there. Open it, put your liner in. And then you want to put this border in there because this, and you want to use some foam tape because this is what the card is going to rest on to be open. And once it has the weight of the pieces on it, that'll stay. Okay. So now let's assemble our card front. And this is the center of our frame. And then we have a little bunny. If you're using a Cricut, you want to make sure that you attach these lines here that are cut for the definition of the rabbit. I think I want to pop him up with a little bit of foam tape. This card is an A2. And then we're going to glue this just onto this bottom quarter of the card right here. Okay, so just apply glue here on this bottom quarter. Might be a third. And you just want to line it up to the bottom. And that's your card closed, and when you open it, you can tuck right behind this little banner there. And that is the bunny easel card. Thank you for joining me.